Hi guys, and welcome back. I'll show you guys how you can use the Forcefield skill in Super Bomb Survival, which is a game on Roblox where you have to survive a round by avoiding bombs so that you won't get damaged because of the explosion and get killed. So equip this, buy this for several coins. Once you've equipped it, here's how it works. So this Forcefield skill is used so that you can have this 5-second of invincibility, or this temporary shield that can protect you from explosion. If we activate it by hitting F, alright, you won't be damaged. That's nice. Awesome. But it won't protect you from being frozen. Ouch. That hurts. Alright, you have to wait for several seconds until the skill, the Forcefield skill, is activated again. Let's say if you want to detonate this nuke, hit F. You won't be damaged because the Forcefield shield is activated. If you get the, the supercharged soda, the Forcefield skill or the Forcefield shield will last for 15 seconds. F. Okay, we have to detonate everything for 15 seconds. Just like this. These bombs. And this rocket as well. Ah! Almost. Almost fell into a lava. Hold on. Wait. 3 seconds left until we can use the Forcefield skill again to protect yourself for 15 seconds. Because you've got the supercharged soda. Let's, explode the meteor. F. Okay, hit the F key. And then let's detonate all of the nukes. Just like these. Ow! Wow! Okay. Oh. I am dead because of... Yeah. I'm dead. But, that's how it works. That's how you can use the Forcefield skill, which acts as a shield that can help you survive rounds of bomb explosions in Super Bomb Survival, a game on Roblox where you have to survive rounds by avoiding bombs. You get the picture of how Forcefield works. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For me, it's good day. Ciao.